all on my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked. So get out the way. I gave you the book. I gave you the game. The boy got a cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
So, what up, family? So, this food truck life, I'm out here, so you have to change the oil on your generator. And sorry if the audio bad, but this is my first day in the life of food truck vlog. So, your first 30 hours operating this Predator 9500 quad generator, you have to change the oil on here. And so, what I just did was I took off my door panel here, and from the door panel you have this little oil plug right here, and it goes right in here. You can see there, right there, it goes there. So you pull that out, and then what you have to do is maneuver that up a little bit, and you'll see the oil plug right there. And that's a 12 millimeter bolt right there. So you get the 12 millimeter bolt, and you'll actually take that oil plug out, and all the oil should drain through here and through this drain hole. And I'm gonna put an oil pan underneath where you see my fingers at to catch the old oil. And I think they recommended the first 30 hours to change the oil, because you're gonna have little metal shaving fragments in the oil. So you want to just change that out. And after that, I want to say it's a little bit longer the next go around, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the oil popped out since I'm doing this by myself. And once the oil start rolling out, I'm gonna bring the camera back and show you the oil actually going out. So give me 1 second. Now this part here, you want to try not to use impact tools, but I'm actually using one because I didn't have a regular ratchet long enough to get in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it loose. Once it's loose, I'll go ahead. Sorry about the police, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew it the rest of the way. Like I said, sorry about that police noise, but hey man, day in the life in the neighborhood, man. But yeah, we're getting all the oil into this drip pan here. You see it? And that oil is extra brown. So my first rodeo, I did not use pure synthetic oil. I used just a 1030 weight oil, and that was my mistake there. But if you actually look at the oil, you can see some of the metal fragments in there as well. And they recommend when the oil is done draining, kind of tilt the generator over to the side to catch the rest of the oil. And I'm actually do that off camera, but there you go, draining the oil, man. I'll be right back. So what you want to do is get you a paper towel or a towel and just wipe off the excess oil right here. My hand's a little bit bigger, so it's gonna be hard to get in there, but I want to just clean all that excess oil out of there before you put that drain plug back in there. Make sure you clean it out really good. Like I said, if you got big hands like mine, it's gonna be a little bit hard to get under there, but I want to just try to clean all that out, and then where you drain that in the hole too. That's a pretty cool drain whole part as well to actually drain the oil out. I actually like that feature. It's like they thought that one through when designing this generator. So I'm gonna get that bolt back in there and then we'll go ahead and fill it up. I don't know if I'll be able to hold the camera and fill it up, but you guys know the gist of that. But I'll be right back. So I filled up the oil and we're gonna check the dipstick. It's full. So we'll get everything put back together. So we got the side panel back on, oil door shut, oil change complete.